5 minutes guided meditation for peace and clarity. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your space. Begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with fresh air. Exhale completely, letting go of any tension. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, grounding you in this moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Start from your feet and move upwards. Relax each part of your body as you focus on it. Feel the relaxation spread from your toes to your head, calming your mind. Visualize a golden light of energy above you. As you breathe in, this light enters your body, filling you with motivation and strength. With each exhale, release self-doubt and fear. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am capable and strong. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. With each breath, I feel more confident and focused. Think of one thing you are grateful for today. Hold this thought as you take one last deep breath. As you exhale, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day with a positive mindset. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You are prepared to achieve greatness.